Ma'am? You want to open the crayons?
Hey.
Why don't you see what else is over there and then we'll open the crayons. You can go see what else is over there? What's over there? Is it a desk, Susanna, to sit at? And scissors? Is it scissors? What is it? You want to open this? Those are your very own scissors, look. Wowee. What else is it? You want to see what's in your stocking? Hey, do you want to see what's in your stocking? Ma'am? What is that? What is it? Tell Mommy what it is. Do you know what it is? Is it scissors? Here, Mommy. Hmm? You want to open the crayons? Okay, Mommy will open the crayons.
Paper.
Okay.